Hey everybody, welcome to Life with Sunny Lee, and it's been a busy week. Originally I had scheduled to go to church and go to the gym 3 times and go get my hair done. Did that and a lot more. Sunday we did go to church and then we ate out, and then Monday I had a dental appointment scheduled for the week coming up, and they called and said that they had an opening and if I wanted to take it. And I said, yeah, fine. I took it mainly because the week before, Dusty and I had a little headbutting, and she had hit my crown, and it just wasn't filling correctly, so I really was wanting to have it checked, make sure that it hadn't been dislodged. And he checked it, they x-rayed it and everything's fine with it. And they say he'd call me in 2 weeks to find out if it still felt weird or not, but it just didn't quite feel right, and he thought I had basically bruised it. There's a tendon between the tooth and the bone, and he thinks I bruised that. So at least that came out fine. We got the teeth are all clean again, no cavities, and I don't have to go back until 6 months or so. So that's taken care of. And then we also went out and did the grocery shopping for the week, and we went to the gym. I went to the gym 3 times this week. We went Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and so that was good. Tuesday was basically a nice day. I spent most of the time out with Dusty, playing with her and training her, and playing in the snow before it all melted, because she loves the snow. If she had her way, I think she would have me fill the freezer up with snow so she could eat ice cubes all summer long and play in the snow.
You gonna play?
Tuesday night, I was looking on Facebook and realized that I noticed that my neighbor, when I was a child, the neighbor's kids, one of them had passed, and the funeral was that Wednesday. So that kind of changed my Wednesday plans. We took Dusty out, and then we went over to Crothersville to the funeral home for visitation, and talked to a lot of people that I have not seen for a long, long time. Shared a lot of old stories. I remember when I was a kid, I would get my chores done, and then I would race over to their house and help them milk the cows. And I'm not for sure if they enjoyed me doing that or not. I know that Larry got a little upset with me at times because I was trying to be so helpful that I wasn't helpful at times. But his dad was very calm, very nice about it, showed me what to do. And I really enjoyed doing that. It was fun for me. It worked for them, fun for me. And so we just had stories like that we talked about. And I remember their parents used to come over and play cards with my parents, and the kids, we were all playing together all the time, and had a lot of good memories. and then we went to the gym afterwards. Thursday I took Dusty out and trained her, and she's gotten to the point where she loves playing ball with Bill. She's be really nice and walk around. The minute she sees him, I'm gonna play ball. And she loves it. And then I went and got my hair cut and taken care of. I had a nice visit with Christy. I always enjoyed going over there and talking with her. And okay, of course, Saturday was Valentine's Day, and I did get some nice flowers for my husband and a cup with a little stuffed toy and some candy from my youngest son. So it was kind of nice for Valentine's Day. Best thing was having them home. That's always a wonderful thing. And we went to the gym 3 times this week, which is an improvement for me. I had skipped the gym for a long time, not going but maybe once or twice a week instead of 3 times, because I was having some problems with a cracked heel. But I think I figured out how to take care of that now. And this week has been much better as far as it not cracking. I've always had some problems with it cracking, but it's been really bad this past month. I don't know if it's because of the extra dryness in the air, or just the fact that it's not drinking enough water. They say water is a key for that. So I'm trying to up my water intake and putting socks on and creams and all that good stuff on my feet. Anyway, they all seem to be doing better. And doesn't hurt to put on shoes or walk anymore. So, back to the gym we've been going, which is always nice. What else happened this week? The weather has improved immensely. Most of the snow has melted. You don't see 12 inches of snow out there anymore, which leads to another problem. Before I had with the snow, Dusty Rose could not eat rocks. Now I'm having to take rocks out of her mouth and sticks out of her mouth again. So that is what we've been up to this week. So hope you like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.